Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Linux in your system. So this is my office laptop and I'm going to install Linux here in the system, and this is my Windows 10. So I'm going to make a pen drive bootable first, then I'm going to install the operating system in the system. So let's do it. So we need Rufus software for that to make a pen drive bootable. So here is the pen drive I have attached here. So I have downloaded it. You can download Rufus from any website, and it's only 1.4 MB. So just open it. I'm going to provide the download link on the description part, so don't worry about it. So this is my Rufus software. So I have entered it. Let's disconnect the pen drive, then connect it again. See here, the pen drive is gone, and I'm gonna connect it. Right, so pen drive is visible now. It's a 64 GB pen drive. So what we have to do now, we require ubuntu ISO file, which you can download from this website. I'm gonna provide the link on the description. So whatever your system requirement, you can download the required file from here. This is provided ISO file actually. So ubuntu 16.4, and it's i3 processor, but in this system is not i3 processor, so it's I'll skip them and going for AMD, right? To 16.4.7 desktop AMD 64 ISO ubuntu. So I'm going I have already downloaded it, and you can download it from this website. So if I'm gonna show you, I have this file in my system. So yeah, it's almost 1.6 GB, this file. As you can see, I have 18.4 version as well, and 16.4. so 18.4 previously I installed it yesterday, but after completion of operating system installment, my system shows some error. So I'm going to try install 16.4. so let's do it. I have ISO file, I have Rufus, so it's good to go now. So let's do it. Open Rufus 64. You make sure your device is so it's your pen drive 64 GB, right? I'm going to select my file from download folder, ubuntu 16.4, right? So yeah, I have selected it, and here we can see partition scheme. Two type partition scheme is there. So don't go for GPT UEFI non-CSM. Don't go for it. Just go for MBR. So BIOS or UEFI, target system will be there automatically. So make sure partition scheme is MBR. You can check your partition scheme from your setting. Just Google it, so you will get it. So this is AMD processors, and this is in that particular system has MBR BIOS UEFI target system. So that's why I have choose it. And yeah, if you are choosing this one, previously I choose it GPT, and I make the pen drive bootables, and then I got this error actually when I try to install that operating system from this pen drive. So you can stop this, you can pause this video, and you can read this completely. This is showing error of BIOS/legacy boot of UEFI only media, right? This is an error. You are getting it whenever you're trying to install it by selecting a target partition target wrong type. So just pause it and you can read it. So that's why I'm gonna choose MBR BIOS. Then you want to is there, right? And FAT32 default, okay, default, okay. Just start booting, right? In ISO image made recommended, okay. After this your pen drive will be formatted, so okay. So the thing is that started the operation to make this pen drive bootable, right? This is the pen drive, you can see, okay. So I'm gonna do one thing. I'm gonna pause this video for a while, because it will take just 5 to 10 minutes, maybe not 10 minutes, but within 5 minutes it will complete. Let's pause this video here. As you can see, 51% is done. So this is the process we are making the pen drive bootable, right? So be careful during this. So ISO file is very big, 1.6 GB, so you make sure you have a correct internet speed, high internet speed, or you have Wi-Fi at your home during this process. So during the installation of operating system, you will require high speed internet, so because it will ask for your Wi-Fi or internet during operating system installation. So make sure you have Wi-Fi or high speed internet. So we will say it, don't worry. So it's just a bit while it will complete. 99.3%, it will say ready. So you can see 16.4.7 AMD 64 Ubuntu is on the way to make it bootable. So it's ready, right? You can see the ready in green color. So I'm going to close it, okay. So as you can see, this is my ubuntu 16.4 version is there. So it's a 64 GB pen drive, so I have enough space, and you can see the files as well here. So this pen drive is now bootable, right? So just eject it carefully. So this is the pen drive we made just bootable, this pen drive. So we are going to insert it here in this system and start booting the system. So we need F12 key. F12 key we will press to boot this device from this pen drive, right? So make sure everything is connected well and your charger is connected well, it's charging. So let me prepare for it. So as you can see, I have inserted the pen drive here, and this is the system. I'm going to start it and going to press F12, right? And if your bootable menu is not open in this pen drive, so you have to go to setting by using F2, and I have made already a video to how to make your system bootable from this USB drive. So first it was not enabled in my system, so I have made a video for that to enable bootable menu, bootable bootable from this device, from your pen drive. To make it, so you have to do some settings. So I already made a video to how to make how you can make your computer system bootable from this pen drive by doing some changes in your BIOS, right? So let's start this and pressing F12. Going to press the start button and F12 immediately. F12 immediately I'm pressing it, as you can see. So it will show me some option. So what we have to do, you have to choose USB, HDD, USB, flash disk. I'm going to press enter. Let's see, this is the thing we want. Our operating system installation process is on the way. No IRQ handler for vectors. It's on its way. You can see ubuntu. Let's focus it clearly. So our process is running. It will take some time. So it's saying Wi-Fi network is available, so I'm going to press, yeah, English is chosen already. Install ubuntu and try ubuntu. Install ubuntu, I'm going to press. So as I said earlier that it will ask for Wi-Fi or in high-speed internet. So I'm going to connect my internet with this device, Airtel Zero Tech, which is, and just providing the password. So I have entered the password for my Wi-Fi and let's connect. Connection established with Airtel Zero Tech. So my Wi-Fi is connected now and I'm going to press continue. The whole process is quite lengthy, so you have to watch the complete video. I hope the video is not so much lengthy. Okay, so download. So I'm going to skip this part. Just make sure you press continue. You can use this download updates while installing ubuntu as well. So just press continue. I don't need that option. So let's do it. Install ubuntu 16.4 LTS alongside ubuntu 18. No, I have already 18 right now. So I'm going to erase the whole thing. Erase disk and install ubuntu. So it will format your device first and then install this operating system. So if you don't need that, you can go for another one, this one or this one. This is a reinstallation thing, so I don't need that. Just install, erase and install new devices, right? Okay, write the changes to disk. This will destroy all the data on your partition, so no worry, let it be. This is taking time, so I'm gonna pause it for a while. So now it's asking for where are you from. So let's check it. I'm not from New York. I'm from actually India. Let's continue. English US, right? Continue. Okay, I have to enter my company's name here, all the details. So I'm going to pause it. So I have entered here my name, my company name, which is Yugasa, and these two things automatically generated by the system, and this is password I have to set during my login. So you have to choose your password carefully, then continue. This is a login password of your system, so continue. So welcome to ubuntu installing system, and this is buffering and I think it will take some more time. Just pause the video here. Here we go. So retrieving file 1 of 93. So let's pause it again. As you can see, it's almost done, but not done yet. So finally installation is completed, and we need to restart it, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the pen drive from my device. Okay, it's now here. Now I'm going to restart it, and it's done. Let's restart it.